Let's take a look at the LG ThinQ range. So this is a gas range. I'll get to the coolest features in a moment, but let's just take a look at the basics first. So we've got your basic functions on here: bake, broil, warm. There's an easy clean function. We'll see the interior in a moment. It is the ThinQ Think. I'm not sure exactly how to pronounce it. So it has these smart diagnostics and some other advanced features. Again, we'll get to that in a sec. We've got 4 main burners here, and we can just activate those, light them, get them going there. I like that it has this nice big cast iron grate, so it can basically support some pretty hefty pots and pans. We've got a small burner in the back, and this is their large boiling burner in the front here as well. So again, we've got the tiny one in the back. That's for simmering. We need really good control. And then we got this giant, this could be like used for a wok burner in the middle, and a longer burner if you have the longer pan. So basically we have 4 main burners and then this additional burner in the center of the range. Again, natural gas powered range. I like the overall stainless steel look. Just feels pretty premium in terms of the quality and the build quality. And this is really neat with this blue interior. It's got this enamel blue interior. Never seen that styling before. I think it's kind of neat. So it looks pretty standard on the outside, but it's got that little secret. We've got our storage tray underneath the oven here. So you can just put pots and pans and stuff in the drawer underneath. And the coolest feature, though, about this is that it is in the ThinQ line of AI-powered appliances. So again, you've got those smart diagnostics, but you can also do things like remote start and stop. It connects to your Wi-Fi, so you can set it to come on. You know, you want to be in the house when you're running your oven, obviously, but you can get diagnostics if something goes wrong, and you can even scan an item, and then it'll tell you the cooking time. So pretty cool AI features, but just overall, really good range.